Do you remember 2008? The headlines? The panic. Retirees watching their 401ks lose half their value overnight. Now, fast forward to today, and tell me honestly, does this economy feel stable to you? Because here's the truth. While Wall Street tries to convince you that stocks always bounce back, more and more American retirees are quietly shifting part of their nest eggs into something much older than the stock market itself. Gold. But before we get into that, I want you to meet someone. His name is Tom Edwards, a 67-year-old retired engineer from Scottsdale, Arizona. Last year, Tom moved $542,760 from his IRA into a Gold IRA. Why? He saw what was coming. And it all started with the free guide I'm going to share with you at the end of this video. Okay, let's break this down. If you're retired or close to it, you've probably spent decades building your savings. You worked hard, you did the right thing, and now you're being told to stay the course. Even as the S&P 500 wobbles on uncertainty around interest rates, inflation, and election year volatility. But ask yourself this, what's your real goal? To ride the roller coaster of the market, or to protect what you've already built? Let's compare gold and stocks head-to-head from the perspective of a retiree. 1. Volatility. Stocks can shoot up, but they can crash just as fast. And when you're 30, you've got time. But at 60 or 70, time isn't on your side. Gold? It doesn't pay dividends, but it's predictable. In 2008, while the S&P lost nearly 40%, gold rose by 5%. 2. Inflation protection. You've probably noticed, groceries, gas, utilities, everything costs more. That's inflation. And historically, gold thrives when inflation rises. It's not magic, it's math. Your dollar buys less. Gold helps hedge that loss. 3. Legacy planning. This is one of the most overlooked parts. When you pass on your assets to your loved ones, do you want them inheriting risk or something timeless? Gold isn't just a hedge, it's a legacy. Now Tom, remember him from earlier? He didn't ditch stocks completely, he just diversified. His Gold IRA gave him peace of mind. He told me, "It's not about chasing gains anymore, it's about protecting my family's future." And what's wild? He wouldn't have done any of it if he hadn't gotten that free Gold IRA guide I mentioned earlier. That one guide led to a short, no-pressure educational call where he got to ask questions, get clarity, and finally make a move he felt good about. So if you're sitting there with over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, and you feel even a little bit uneasy about the direction of this economy, do what Tom did. Click the link below and get your free Gold IRA guide. No gimmicks, no free silver nonsense. Just a one-on-one education-first call to help you understand your options. Because look, your retirement isn't just about you. It's about your spouse, your kids, your grandkids. Protecting what you've built isn't fear, it's wisdom. You've already done the hard part. You saved, you planned. Now it's time to protect. Your story could start with this call, just like Tom's did. Get the guide, start the conversation, and take control.